Welcome to our lesson on the legal considerations to protect individuals. Here we'll learn about the purpose of several laws designed to protect the rights of individuals, what media producers must do to comply with these laws, and the impact this has. Let's dive in. Individuals possess legal and ethical rights to privacy. Privacy enables people to control their interactions with others and safeguards against unwanted interference from governments and businesses. However, privacy rights don't apply universally in all situations, with distinctions between public and private places. In the UK, recording images or taking photographs in public places is largely unregulated, allowing media producers to capture images freely, even of children. Though people do have a reasonable expectation of privacy that would protect them from being recorded in places like restrooms and healthcare facilities. Conversely, capturing media in private places like homes, museums, and concert venues requires permission from the property owner. Unauthorized photography or recording on private property may lead to trespassing charges, potential legal disputes, or even confiscation of equipment. Before publishing or using images and photographs for commercial purposes, it is essential to obtain proper permissions and release forms. When recording in public, media producers own full rights to the content and can publish as desired. For private property, owner consent is necessary, potentially involving licensing fees. Permission from individuals to publish footage taken of them is not required when recording in private places. However, for commercial purposes, obtaining consent from the subject, even in public places, is recommended, as it may be legally mandated in some countries, and protects you from claims of invasion of privacy and unauthorized use of likeness. Failing to obtain appropriate permissions can result in legal claims that can result in severe fines and the payment of monetary damages. Finally, media producers must respect individual privacy and avoid harassment, such as photographing someone on private property without consent or persistently bothering property owners. Such behavior can be reported to the police, leading to legal consequences for media producers and businesses, including time in prison. Defamation involves damaging someone's reputation through false statements. Legislation protects individuals from defamation, as it can have severe consequences. Inaccurate claims in newspapers, for instance, may hinder employment or incite revenge attacks. There are two defamation types: libel and slander. Libel is written defamation, relevant to news articles, magazines, and published media. Slander is spoken defamation, applicable to social media posts, videos, live events, and music. Those found guilty of defamation face significant financial penalties. Data protection legislation safeguards individuals' personal information against misuse. Media businesses handling employee and customer data must comply with these laws to prevent potential harm from unscrupulous activities such as identity or bank fraud. In the UK, data protection legislation outlines several principles for businesses, as well as rights individuals have concerning their data. These rights include being informed, accessing data, rectifying inaccuracies, erasing data, restricting processing, data portability, objecting to usage, and understanding automated decision-making. Organizations have a month to respond to individuals' requests for data rectification, erasure, or copies. Non-compliance with data protection rights can result in penalties, with maximum fines of €20 million or 4% of a business's annual turnover, whichever is larger. By adhering to data protection laws, media businesses protect individuals from the negative consequences of data misuse and ensure a secure environment for personal information handling. In conclusion, to ensure compliance with legal considerations protecting individuals, media producers must respect privacy rights, obtain necessary permissions, and avoid defamation. Additionally, adherence to data protection legislation is crucial for safeguarding personal information. Non-compliance can result in severe penalties, including fines, damages, and legal disputes, emphasizing the importance of ethical and lawful media production practices.